People from all around the world are getting paid on a daily basis with this platform that I'm about to show you in today's video. And you can do the same thing and get paid no matter where you're coming from, with no investment needed and without any hard work at all. You just need to watch these videos till the end, because I'm going to explain everything step by step so you can set it up properly. And stay tuned, because I'll give you some other platforms as a bonus so you can maximize your earnings. But just before we begin, make sure that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Edinemia's World with notifications on, so you won't miss any future video to come, since I'll notify you whenever I upload a new video like this one on how to make money online. And you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. With all of that said, let's now start with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to come over to this platform called lightgpt.com. So this is over at lightgpt.com. If you scroll down, you're going to see that what you can expect from this website, and you're going to see the benefits that they offer to their earners. You can get more than 8 earning ways. So there are more than 8 earning ways in order for you to get paid. So you can get paid watching video ads, PTC, you can get paid completing surveys and other things as well, as you can see right here. They offer a minimum withdrawal of 50 cents, so you don't have to wait and to get a lot of money in order to withdraw them. You just need 50 cents in your account, and you can withdraw your money either as cash or as Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is available for people who love cryptocurrency, and they offer also daily bonuses, and you can get paid as passive income. And they offer also the possibility to refer other people and to get paid through referring them with your affiliate link. If you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see that there are over 29,000 of total members in this website, and this website has paid out more than $11,000 to their members, which is crazy for a website like this one, where you just need to watch some ads in order to get paid. And right here you're going to see other services that they have to offer, and if you want to know if this website is legit or not, you're going to see the payment proofs right here, which proves that this is 100% legit. So if you click on this button right here, it's going to take you over to the recent payouts. So this is the page of their payment proof. You're going to see that people from all around the world are getting paid every single minute with this website. You're going to see there are people from India, Nigeria, Indonesia, South Africa, Brazil, Spain, Ukraine, and so on and so forth. And they are getting paid through their preferred payment options, as you can see right here. So they offer different payment options like Bitcoin, as we talked before, Faucet Pay, Payeer, coin payments. Unfortunately, PayPal is not available, but don't worry, because I'm going to show you some other platforms that you can get paid with PayPal. Another thing that I want to show you so you can see that how legit this platform is the reviews, because they speak more than I can. So you're going to see over at Trustpilot that this website is rated as excellent with 4.4 stars. So this is a legit platform to work with, and you can definitely get paid with it. Right now, to get started with it, so you can start making money, you just need to click on the register button over at the official website, and it's going to take you over to this page where you need to put a username, an email address, a password, then confirm your password. Then you're going to leave the referral box empty because you're not being referred by anyone. Then for verification, you need to tick and click the icon that they are going to ask you. In my case, it's a music note, so I'm going to click on this one. Then you need to tick these 2 boxes where you accept their terms of service and privacy notice, and then click on register. After that, they're going to send you an email for verification, so you're going to be able to log in into your brand new account. And this is how it's going to look like once you log in. This is your dashboard where you're going to check your earnings either on cash or as Bitcoin. And here you can also see your referral link, which you can copy right here if you want to share it with people and maximize your earnings. And of course, if you want to get paid, you're going to go over to the left hand side and you're going to click on earn money right here, and you're going to see all of these different services, different things that you can do in order to get paid. In order to see ads and get paid, you need to click here on PTC. And also, if you want to withdraw your money, you need to click on wallet and then on withdraw button right here. With all of that said, let me show you another platform that you can use in order to make money by watching ads, and this platform is called Box Inside. This is over at boxinside.com. Once you come over here, you're going to see that you can get paid every 10 seconds. You can get paid for just browsing their advertisers' websites. You're going to see another important thing, which is that you can cash out instantly, which is awesome. And also, you can cash out when you reach $2. This is a higher threshold than the first website, but it's still very low, so you just need like $2 and you're going to get paid. And you're going to see the other important thing, which is that they offer a lot of payment options and PayPal is included. You have also Payza, AdCash, BitGold, and so on. So in order to start making money with this website, all you need to do is to click on the register button up here, and then you're going to put a username, then your email, repeat your email, then you're going to select your currency, you're going to select the payment option here, PayPal, and the other one, which one you want, the birth year. You're going to click on one of these icons that are going to ask you, then you're going to accept their terms of service and click on register. And then you're going to just log into your dashboard, and in order to view those ads, you just can click here on view ads and you can start getting paid by viewing ads. Another thing that I want to show you about this website is that it's available worldwide. As you can see in this map right here, people from all around the world are getting paid with this website. And now it's the time for me to show you another platform, which is like a bonus platform actually, and it's this one right here, coinpayu.com. So this website only pays you through cryptocurrency actually, so this is for those people who want to get paid with cryptocurrency, and you can get paid with cryptocurrency by viewing advertisement and also by doing other offers. If you scroll down, you're going to see what people say about this website. So these are the reviews, and they have pretty good reviews, as you can see, with 4.9 stars, which is amazing and shows how legit this platform is. And also you're going to see another thing which I want to show you, which are the payment proof, and they are in this page right here. You're going to see that people are getting paid every single day, and if you want to check them out, you can click on all of this here and you're going to see that they are real. And the payment proof are available for all the payment methods that you are going to choose, either Bitcoin or another payment method. With all of that said, this is it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and a comment down below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, Aiden and Mia's World, with notifications on. Thank you for watching.